Hi everyone, touch the leg. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna unboxing Telesin battery. So this is battery for the GoPro Hero 8 765. Let's open it. La 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 na 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 na. Oh, all right, very cool. Yep. All right, what is this? This must be case for the battery. Yeah, this must be battery case, which is cool. Okay, very nice. One more here. Beautiful. All right. Okay, perfect. Excellent. This is exactly what I need. USB cable and USB-C. All right, very nice. Okay, what is this? All right, here I have battery. Very nice. Telesin. Yeah, looks nice. So let me see how long it give me the battery. 1220 mAh means it's gonna give me 1 hour at least. Yep, that's what it looks like. I don't know, I will find out. All right, it give me 2 batteries. Same thing. There you go, one more here, and this gonna be the main charger. Okay, wow, this is very nice, beautiful. See, small and it's very compact. Yeah, it goes 3 battery here, 1 battery here. Let me see. Oh, this way. Yeah, 1 battery go here, 1 battery go here, and here the battery that comes with a GoPro. Because the battery comes with a 1 is not enough, you know. At least you need like 2 more extra battery. So that's why. All right. So this very nice, you see. And I can charge it in my home, and once battery is full, it give me a green light. And here's one more thing I'm gonna tell you guys. So this is the power bank battery. So in case I don't need the battery, so I'm gonna use the battery from here. So this is a power bank, and so how it works is you see the cable, it comes with the battery. You just go to here like that, and then USB-C. Okay, here this goes to back here. Yep, like that. Then you can turn on the battery. I think I don't have battery now, so then I can turn on here. Then I can just put in the backpack, you know, and it's gonna be light come here, so I can just put in my backpack, no problem. So especially when you're traveling, you should have this one, okay, because this is very good. It has the cover, you see. It has the cover, you see, so which one battery remove. If I have a full battery, I can charge the iPhone 3 times. And you see, iPhone or iPad, and a small tablet is going to be here on top. So this one you can charge the tablet and Samsung Android phone like that. Okay, so I love this one. This is very good, very nice. I have this a long time, and I always keep this one. This is very useful. So this is the brand name, Mopai. I love this brand. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys the size of this box. All right, so you see, this is a GoPro 8. This is much smaller, right? Yeah, it's very compact, you see. So what I'm gonna do is when I'm traveling, I'm gonna put one full battery here and two more battery here and one full battery here from the power bank. Then you are all set. Once you have these two, actually you will never get a problem. Now you are all set and you're good to go. Yeah, this is cheap. This is cheap. This is very good price. You know, this is very good price. This is cheap. It's only like $25. Alright guys, I hope you guys like my video. Make sure you like it, share it, subscribe, and leave the comment below. I'll see you in my next video.